Hey Ajinkya, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, thanks for joining this time, Ajinkya, and really thank you for your time this evening. Ajinkya, I would like to know about which course did you study at SkillLink, and why did you pick that course?
So I studied CFD fundamentals using OpenFOAM and MATLAB.
Okay.
And the basic idea behind choosing this course was I'm interested in learning the black box of CFD, the
Mm-hmm.
theory part of CFD.
Okay.
And I feel that the course was aligned to my requirements, and
Okay.
then I choose this course.
Thanks, Ajinkya. So, what do you do now? Like, what was your recommend, and why did you think CFD was your recommend?
For the past 8 years, I'm working as assistant professor in one of the affiliated institute of Pune University.
Okay.
Apart from that, I'm also a researcher in the field of mechanical engineering. I'm
Right.
pursuing my PhD,
Yeah.
and my PhD has certain requirements of the CFD, and my
Mm-hmm.
topic is related to heat transfer.
Okay.
And then I feel that no, it is very much crucial for me to learn the black box of CFD.
Right. So, how did you come to know about SkillLink, Ajinkya? So, where did it all start?
Take admission for my PhD, and after the finalization of my topic, uh,
Mm-hmm.
so CFD was the basic fundamental that was needed to fulfill my research.
Okay.
So I started searching for the institutes which can help me in the field of CFD.
Mm-hmm.
So I searched in Mumbai, Pune, and Nasik, where I can physically learn the CFD. But
Okay.
I didn't receive any good response from any of the institute. And
Mm-hmm.
finally, I moved to the MOOCs or online platforms, and
Mm-hmm.
with Quora and all, I come to know that SkillLink is the best platform for learning CFD and fundamentals of CFD,
Okay.
and they and get connected with SkillLink.
Right. Thanks, Ajinkya. So you've been in this profession, teaching for 8 years, and then you have joined our course. So being from the academic circles, like how did you find the content of our course to be?
Yeah, so before taking course of SkillLink, I also completed one FDP of CFD from NPTEL, which was
Okay.
offered from IIT Madras.
Okay.
But there was a disconnect between the whatever course they were teaching and the practical thought of the CFD.
Okay.
And I think the SkillLink offered the best practical thoughts on the CFD black box.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever equations we need to solve in case of CFD,
Yeah.
whatever fundamental equations we have, those are so thoroughly and practically explained. With the help of that, you can solve any sort of problem in case of CFD.
Thanks for that, Ajinkya. So what were the projects that you did as a part of your CFD course?
But the project what I did, my PhD research was related to flow through the nozzles. I was
Okay.
working with nanofluids.
Okay.
So the project what I picked for the final certification of SkillLink was uh, quasi-static flow through nozzle, which was subsonic,
Mm-hmm.
and I performed the CFD analysis of this flow with the help of MATLAB.
Okay.
The project was covered. In this project, I covered conservation and non-conservative form of CFD analysis,
Yeah.
and the same project I extended for my PhD as well. Right now, I am extending that project
Okay.
where instead of using the simple water, I am
Mm-hmm.
using the nanofluid particles as well, and I am changing the velocities, and I am trying to find out what changes I am getting in case of mass densities and Mach number.
Thanks, Ajinkya. So, Ajinkya, what would you say your biggest takeaway from learning at SkillLink? You share your perspective on it.
The biggest takeaway is the syllabus and the course structure of SkillLink. Whatever contents they are offering in case of the course I picked, they
Mm-hmm.
were excellent because they know what to teach as a fundamental of CFD.
Mm-hmm.
And and with the help of this course, I was able to teach my students as well. I am able to fasten my research as well, and this was the biggest takeaway from the course of the SkillLink.
Thank you, Ajinkya. Thanks for that feedback. Ajinkya, if you were to give a suggestion for students who are currently thinking of getting into core domain, what would your advice be?
I always talk to my students, and when we discuss with the students, then I told them that CFD is something which is one of the advanced part of mechanical engineering, where you can achieve the what we can say, this is excellent something you can achieve in the field of mechanical engineering. And in many cases it has been observed that CFD is something untouchable for the core people, and the single reason for that is there are no good instructors or good platforms where they can learn the CFD. And I always suggest my students that this is the field which is quite not explored by many of us, and we should explore this field. As Europeans and Americans are quite good in case of CFD. But right now this is our turn that we should enter in this field, and we should go with CFD as a mechanical engineer. And this will be the best platform for them to learn the CFD. Skillink will be the best platform.
Thank you, Ajinkya. So you mentioned about it was difficult. It is difficult to find good instructors in the CFD domain. So could you tell us your experience with the technical support you got at Skillink?
Yeah, so the technical support was very excellent. While technical support, I didn't remember the name of my technical support, the member of our technical support team. But while teaching or while explaining the concepts, whatever difficulties I was facing, so they asked me to share the screen and they asked me to run the programs. And while running the program, while iterations were going on, they asked me few questions regarding the topic, like fundamentals of equations and conservation, mass flow rate or mass flow conservation equation, right? Like that. So during the technical support, they were also preparing us for the interviews as well. What sort of interview questions somebody can ask, and so that was something that I remember, and that helped me a lot in the field of in my journey.
Thank you, Ajinkya. Now, with your teaching experience and research, current research, so what are you ultimately working towards?
So my ultimate working is that I will be working in the field of research only as a assistant professor. My ultimate aim is to submit my PhD, and after that I will continue my research, because the research topic what I picked right now, which is very broad, and I am picking only a single, what we can say, a short portion of that research topic.
Right.
And I hope that I will be excellent in CFD in upcoming days with the help of Skillink. And I will love to join another course after completion of my PhD, because right now I'm a little bit busy with my PhD work.
Right. Thank you, Ajinkya. Thank you so much for sharing the feedback, and all the best for your research. And we wish you the very best for your plans going forward.